Hey, thank you so much for tapping onto this video. And this is Abhishek B signing into this video to explain you about what are the different payment gateways which are available in this market to collect the payments, and as well as what are the different tools which are mandatory to use to create an online course and to sell the online course which you created. Okay, before jumping into the main topic, that is the payment gateway, I genuinely request you to click on the bell icon and subscribe button for the upcoming notification about my own videos regarding the business topics like this. Okay, there are about 4 important payment gateways which I'm gonna cover right now based on my own experience, where you can collect the payments and you can sell the online course. Okay, what are those 4 important payment gateways? The first important payment gateway platform is the Instamojo. The second important platform is the Razorpay, and the third important platform is the PayPal. Okay, and the fourth important platform is Cash Free. Okay, these are the 4 important platforms which I came across based on my own experience. And if you are a beginner, try to go with Instamojo and Razorpay. Okay, try to go with Instamojo and Razorpay. The success rate of collecting the payment is very much huge. There is a very much high in the Instamojo. There is a success rate. Just go with the Instamojo if you are a beginner, and if that is not going to work, means try to go with the Razorpay. Okay, try to create account in the Instamojo and as well as the Razorpay. Okay, it is possible. There is no need of GST. There is no need of sole proprietorship which you must have to register. You can create an account using the savings account also. There is no need of creating current account in the initial days. Try to go with the savings account and try to collect the payments professionally by using these 2 platforms. Okay, after knowing about the payment gateways, you must also get to know about some of the tools which are mandatory to create and sell the online course. Okay, the first important tool is the landing page builder, and the second important tool is the integration, like collecting the different tools, and the third important tool is the email autoresponder, and the fourth important tool is the webinar hosting. Okay, these are the 4 important tools. And for the landing page builder, I always prefer to go with the WordPress. That is the Elementor Pro. Okay, if you are a beginner, go with the WordPress Elementor Pro. I think the price is almost 6,000 to 7,000 per year. Okay, try to go with the WordPress. And if your budget is more than 25, 30 or 40K, you can go with the FlexiFunnel. Okay, where you're going to get a ready-made templates and you can just copy paste and you can just drag and drop. That option is also available under the FlexiFunnel. Okay, and you can also go with the Graphy also. Okay, but there's a main difference between FlexiFunnel and Graphy is the sales commission is going to be very huge in the Graphy. 10% of the sales, whatever happened, it is going to go for a Graphy. Okay, and if you are someone who is trying to avoid that, you can go with the FlexiFunnel. That is a one-time payment that is around 30,000, around $300 per year. Okay, you can go with that. Okay, the second important tool is the integration. Go with the Zapier, and the third important tool is the email autoresponder. Go with ConvertKit. Okay, try to create a free account. There is a convertkit.com. Go to convertkit.com and try to create a free account and try to explore. Okay, ConvertKit, and there are many other email autoresponders are available in this market, but I always prefer go with the ConvertKit. For the email for the landing page builder, try to go with WordPress. Okay, WordPress Elementor, and for the integration, go with the Zapier. Okay, which I'm going to explain in the second part of the video. Okay, like how to connect the different tools. For the webinar hosting, #1, which is ruling this digital marketing, there's a Zoom. Okay, just go with the Zoom platform for hosting the webinar. Okay, these are the 4 important tools which are mandatory to use and to sell your online course. Okay, after knowing about these tools, I'm going to explain about how to connect the tools, like how the customer's journey is going to be like, from watching the ads, landing into the landing page and filling the data, and what happens to that data and how to collect that data. Okay, everything which I'm going to cover right now. Please take in notes and please replicate the same steps. Okay, please replicate the same steps what I'm going to share right now. The first and the foremost thing what you must have to do is just go to the Zapier.com. Okay, just go to the Google and type Zapier.com and create a free account. Okay, create a free account with a login with the Google or Facebook. Once you create a free account, it is going to appear like this. The first and the foremost thing what you must have to do is just click on the Create Zap. Okay, just click on the Create Zap, where you are going to create a series of tools, how the data is going to transfer. The main use of going to Zapier is whenever the customer is going to fill the data in the landing page, how it is going to appear in the email autoresponder or Google Sheet. using this tool is going to push the data, that is the name, email ID and phone number. It is going to push the data to other tools like ConvertKit or Google Sheet or Zoom. Okay, for that Zapier is mandatory. Okay, after just clicking on the create zap, try to rename it. Okay, I'm going to rename it as a trial zap. Okay, the first and the foremost thing what after you must have to do is just click on webbook. Okay, just search webbook. Okay, what is the main advantage of going to the webbook is you must have to collect the data from the landing page, that too from the WordPress Elementor. Okay, this webbook is going to help to push the data, means to collect the data from the landing page. Whoever comes and going to fill the data, no, it is going to push the data to the Google Sheet, or it is going to push the data to the ConvertKit. Okay, whatever the tools which we are going to connect. Okay, after clicking on the webbook by Zapier, just try to click on the catch hook. Okay, under the event, select the catch hook, then click on the continue. Okay, just copy the URL under the test trigger, copy the URL of your webbook URL. Okay, after copying the URL, come to the landing page, not come to the landing page, sorry, come to the pop-up form. Okay, under the pop-up form you must have to select, okay, you must have to select webbook. Okay, add action, just to type webbook and select the webbook. Okay, after selecting the webbook, it is going to appear. Okay guys, there are many students who are going to raise the question like there is no option in the Elementor pop-up. See, without selecting the webbook, it is not going to appear like this. Okay, if you select webbook, it is going to appear above the step setting. Okay, after selecting the webbook, just click on the webbook and replace the URL. Whatever the URL which is going to show in the Zapier, just replace the URL and just click on the update. Okay, just click on the update. See, what I did is I just connected the landing page to the Zapier. Okay, once someone comes and clicks on the landing page, or who is going to watch the advertisement and who is going to land on the landing page and is going to just scan the landing page, and if he feels like he want to register, means is going to just click on register now and is going to fill the data like Abhishek B, email, phone number. Once somebody submitted a form, it is going to appear in the Zapier. Okay, right now I just clicked on the test. Okay, as you can see guys, whenever I type my name Abhishek B, email ID and as well as the phone number, it is going to appear in the Zapier. Okay, right now what you can do is you can just push this data to the next important tools like ConvertKit, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Gmail, Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to show about how to push the data to the Google Sheet. Okay, right now you're going to collect the data in the Google Sheet, which is very much mandatory. And whenever you're going to store the data in the Google Sheet, you can just directly copy paste. You're going to just directly upload in the CSV file to the any other tool like email marketing tool or some Zoom tool. Okay, you can also go and use your Google Sheet for that. Okay, once you are going to land onto the Google Sheet, okay, just click on create multiple spreadsheet rows. Create multiple spreadsheet rows. Okay, I'm going to explain about how to create a Google Sheet. Okay, just go to the docs.google.com and create a sheet and name the sheet, name, email and as well as the phone number. These three areas are mandatory. Please fill name, email ID and phone number. And if you are collecting some other data like apart from the name, email, phone number and including the address, means you can also add address. Okay, but I'm not going to prefer that. Whatever the data which you are going to collect, just name it here and name the sheet also. Okay, there is a sheet 1. I just named it as a sheet 1. What you can do is, once clicking on the create multiple spreadsheet row, it is going to ask for choose the account. Okay, choose the account, just click on, and I'm going to choose Abhishek12373@gmail.com. Okay, I'm going to choose this account and again just click on the continue, and again it is going to ask the drive. Okay, just select my drive and it is going to ask spreadsheet. Okay, my spreadsheet title is trial sheet. Okay, so try to name the spreadsheet. Okay, so that it is going to appear like this in the Zapier. Once after selecting the trial sheet, just try to select the sheet also. Which sheet? That is the sheet 1, which is the only sheet which I created. Okay, see now it is done. Okay, whatever I just named in the sheet, there is a name, email ID and phone number which is appearing here. There is a name, email ID and phone number. You can just go and select. For the under the name, you must have to select name. Okay, and under the email, select the email. See, if you are going to select email under the name, means it is going to appear email only. So try to select name under the name, email under the email, and phone number. Just go and show all the option, click on the show all the option, and just try to match the phone number. Okay, see, boom, this is the way which you are going to collect the leads from the landing page. Click on the continue and test action. See, once you are going to click on the test action, the landing page is going to connect to the Google Sheet. See guys, whatever the data which I filled in the landing page, it is appearing here. There is a name, Abhishek B, email, and the phone number. Okay, this is the way it is going to work. So the Zapier is very much mandatory, and after just clicking on this Zapier, like clicking on the trial test, you must have to publish the Zap. Okay, if you don't publish the Zap, it is of no use. Okay, try to publish the Zap. And if you try to connect any other tools, means you can just click on the plus icon and you can go and explore that. Okay, if you want to connect the Zoom, means you can just type Zoom, you can search the Zoom. You can connect more than 5,200 plus tools. Okay, that is the power of Zapier. Okay, this is the way it is going to work, guys. Okay, the first and the foremost thing what I did is I'm going to connect the landing page to the Zapier by installing the webhook, and then I'm going to copy the URL from the webhook to the Elementor pop-up, so that under the Elementor pop-up, whatever the form which I'm going to fill it, or whatever the form which audience are going to fill, it is going to appear in the Google Sheet. Okay, this is the way the journey of the data which is going to transfer from the landing page to the Zoom or Google Sheet or ConvertKit. Okay, right now you might be feeling like, wow, it is crazy, right? Yeah, you must have to go through it. You must have to replicate the same step what I showed. Okay, this is all about the tools. This is all about the payment gateway. Okay, I hope that you are getting the clarity. And if you're someone who's having a confusion, means please revisit this video again and again and try to replicate the step. Okay, and before jumping into the next video, please comment below what are the top 3 learnings, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe button for the notification regarding this kind of content from my YouTube channel. And thank you so much, and all the best.